Hi, this is Dirk from B&B Auto Sales. Today we're showing you a 74 Dodge Challenger. Got some good shine to the paint, a few little flaws in it, some cracking in the paint up here on the hood, a few chips here and there. Older paint job, some more cracking right here. Them are the two spots. Vinyl rust pretty good for the most part. I did see a spot over on the other side, probably got a little rust underneath. And then it's got a little bit of bubbling down here, right there. And then also behind this wheel well right there. So, not a perfect car, but looks like they redid the seats in blue. I personally went with black. Does have a cover lay, which most of these do anymore. But pretty nice inside. I mean, doors shut good. Like I said, you see the paint's got a good shine to it, so good looking car, especially outside. The lights always show the worst. A few rock chips down here. Really didn't feel any bubbling. Right here is where I seen a little bubbling in the vinyl top. I try to show everything, a lot of guys don't, but I'm gonna show you exactly what you're getting. And right here, some more bubbling right there. So, you're gonna get a nice driver quality Challenger. Thing runs and drives good, 360 automatic 4-barrel. Just a kind of a cool 74 Challenger. 605-695-7391.